Hello, hello. Welcome back. Welcome back to another video. And today we'll learn more English. Are you excited? Are you ready? Let's go. Today we're going to talk about four things. We're going to talk about four things that annoy me. Annoy me. We're going to talk about four things that I find so annoying. Annoying. So as always, listen, watch, and understand. Listening is important. Watching is important. And if you listen and watch, you'll understand. Okay? Let's go. Number one. So, two people, they can make a promise or a deal. A promise or a deal. If you make a promise or if you make a deal, you should keep it. You should keep it. But sometimes people, they don't keep their promise. They don't keep their promise. They break the promise or they break the deal. When people say something, when somebody says something, but they don't keep it, they break it, it's so annoying. I roll my eyes. So annoying. So if you say something, if you make a promise or a deal, you should keep it. You should keep it. Okay? Number two. It's similar to number one. It's similar to number one. So number two, it's so annoying. It's so annoying when somebody says something, when they say something, but it's not true. It's not true, it's a lie. A lie. A lie is when you say something, but what you say, it's not true. It's not true. It's a lie. Do you know Pinocchio? When Pinocchio says a lie, his nose, whoosh, it grows. Pinocchio was a liar. Liars are annoying. So annoying. You should always tell the truth. Tell the truth, not a lie. Don't be a liar. Liars are so annoying. Okay, we're doing good. Let's continue. Let's continue to number three. So people can go out. People can go out. You can go to a restaurant. You can go to a party. You can go to the library. People can go out. Sometimes when you go out, you can make a mess. A mess. If you're at a restaurant, you can make a mess. If you make a mess, you should clean it. Clean it. If you make a mess, you have to clean it. Clean up your mess. But sometimes people, they don't clean up their mess. It's so annoying. That's so annoying. If you make a mess, you have to clean it. Don't make a mess and then just, walk away. Don't make a mess and then leave and just leave it. But you have to clean it. If you don't, it's bad manners. And it's so annoying. Don't make a mess and not clean it. Very bad. Okay, we're doing good. Last one, number 4. So, number 4, to me, it's really annoying when a person chews with their mouth open. Open, close. Open, close. When somebody chews food with their mouth open, it's so annoying. They make this sound. Isn't that annoying? When you chew food, chew with your mouth closed. Not open, closed. That's good manners. Don't chew with your mouth open. It's annoying. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you give it a like, and make sure you leave a comment. Leave a comment. Tell me, you tell me what things annoy you. What do you find annoying? Leave a comment below. But thank you so much for watching this video. Keep listening, keep watching, and your English will improve. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you again. Goodbye.